Guys, welcome to my vlog. I'll go and turn this one day. Today we're going to be drawing digitally, and we're going to be drawing an ice cream cat. So first start off with some mountains, and then a little like line, 2 mountains, then connect them. And then go at the bottom and draw this. I don't know what you would call that. 2 of these, I guess. Okay. And then you're going to want to connect these. And then draw a tail. And then draw some little squigglies up here. Oop. Little squigglies up here. And then for ice cream. And then go draw some diagonal lines. Some more diagonal lines. To create that wafer, sort of ish. And then zoom in. Okay, and then draw circles for the eyes, or whatever shape you really want, pretty much. Then draw those, and voila, one eye's done. And then another little curve, and then 2 circles, and then eyelashes, and then voila, and then heart. And also the eyelashes are optional. And then a heart for the nose, if you want. And a line, and then some circles. And then draw 2 whiskers. And that's basically done. And if you want to add some more squigglies around for some markings, you can. And that's done. I'm going to show you how to do another one. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to draw a cat wearing like a little bandana. Okay, draw 2 more mountains and then connect them at the bottom and the top. And then go down and draw this, and then like that. Wait, let me make that better. Okay, made it a little bit better. And now I'm going to want to draw some more of these. Actually, some more of these, just like me. And then, oop. And then connect them at the bottom. And then draw another one of those tails. And then do this. Do this like that. And then draw 2 like these to create cat eyes. And then draw 2 little lines in the middle like this. And then eyelashes. Remember, eyelashes are optional. And then the heart nose is also optional. Like that. Voila. Okay, we're gonna do one more. And that'll be in just a second. Next, I'm going to show you how to draw a confuzzled cat or a confused cat. Draw 2 mountains and connect them at the bottom and the top. And then we're gonna just zoom in on the face. Do some circles. Do 2 circles. And then draw these, the little pupils on top. And eyelashes are optional. Right? Okay. And then draw speckles in the eyes. Draw some speckles in the eyes to make it a little more cutesy. Okay. And then draw a heart nose or a whatever nose you want, and then draw a line, and then a little open mouth, and then like that, and then the body like this. Connect it at the bottom like that. Okay, that's the 3 cats I'm gonna do. Bye!